Hello everyone. If you are interested in creating your own wreath and adding your own style, your own colors, your different florals, you want to join my wreath making class. I have it now available for purchase. I will have the link down below and you can go ahead and purchase the tutorial where you will have it forever. It's your own digital copy. So if you would like to learn how to make a fall wreath or any wreath for any seasonal decor, definitely you would like to go to my website and download that wreath making tutorial. It is easy, it is step by step, and I am with you all the way through. It's also a lot of fun. So thank you so much in advance for your support, and I will see you in class. Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. I know it has been a couple of weeks, you guys, and I am so sorry for that. We've just been trying to get ready for moving into this new house and trying to get everything all done and making sure that all the things that needs to be done is done. So today we are actually cleaning the house because this is the last clean that we're going to be doing before moving into the new house, which we're moving into the new house this coming week. When you see this, we are actually in the process of moving the furniture and everything into the new house. So this was the week before that we went and just started cleaning and everything. And then the workers, they had like little things that they had to finish up in the house. So we are super excited, you guys. We are just loving this new place, and we're in the basement right now. If you guys don't know, if you're new here, my children and I, we relocated to Georgia from New York, and I am in the process of going through a divorce right now. And so I am a newly single mom, which is insane to say, but single mom of 3 teenagers, and my oldest daughter, she has Down syndrome. So trying to navigate life with that, being a single mom, and dealing with all of that, and moving twice in one summer, and school, and all the things that comes with being a parent, and looking for a job and all the things, right? Life be lifing. And so we are just so grateful that God has given us the favor and the peace and, his grace to get through this, this season with ease and, falling and landing safely. And my brothers have just been amazing. My brother, he allowed my children and I to move in with him. And so he purchased this home earlier on this year, and he started renovating it because he knew we were coming down. So he gave us the bottom floor of the basement, basically. It doesn't even look like a basement, you guys. It's absolutely gorgeous. And so this is where we are today. So we're cleaning the basement, making sure that everything is nice and cleaned out before we can move in, and just, getting everything prepped and ready. So we are so excited. And if you are new here, please go ahead and subscribe. And I would love for you to come along and join us on the journey. I also do have a main channel, which you'll get to see a lot of the moving from New York and transitioning and our daily life and daily vlogs and decorating and everything like that. So I will link that channel down below, and you can go ahead and check it out and subscribe if you want to keep up with our everyday life and this season of life. So thank you guys so much for watching today. Enjoy the music. I hope you guys are motivated and inspired to get cleaning.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. so sweet, I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun
Now I am in the kitchen or kitchenette area, and I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe down the countertops and wipe out the cabinets, because everything in this house is brand new. Cabinets, toilets, bathtub, sink, everything is brand new. So it's not like, you know, major cleaning. We're kind of just getting all the dust out and all the, you know, stuff from like tiling and wood floors and, you know, all the things that comes with a renovation. So it's not like a major overall cleaning. It's just cleaning and disinfecting everything, just kind of getting everything ready for us to move in and, you know, usable, right? So that's what I am doing now, and I am loving it, you guys. I'm loving it. I have so many ideas, y'all, for this kitchen. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to show everyone my mood board and all the things that I have going on, and all the decorating that I'm going to be doing. I cannot wait to show you guys that. So I'm super excited, and that will be on my main channel as well. So my son and I, we often have these little chats, you know, about life and everything. And this moment right here was so surreal because he just came to me. He was just like, Mommy, I am so happy. And he's just so grateful. And I'm just like, it makes me so happy to hear that my child is happy, because that's one of the things that I constantly think about, especially with going through a divorce and everything. I always want to make sure that my kids' well-being and mental and everything is good. And to hear him say that he's happy, it just, I can't even tell you the feeling. It just makes me feel so good. And he's helping me to clean out the basement and everything like that. And, you know, it was just a surreal moment. And I'm just grateful to God for him sustaining us and giving us the strength every single day to get through this. And we're getting through it together. And for that, I am super grateful.
would always shine. I'm not sure you realize what you are getting.
So I'm literally just sitting on the counter and just thinking about life and the goodness of God and just everything, my next move, my, you know, the plans that God has for me and my children. And just like everything. When I tell you guys, the overwhelming feeling of sometimes being afraid of the unknown and not really knowing what's going to happen, how I'm going to move forward, all the things that comes with this type of season. It's stressful and it's overwhelming and it's scary, and I sometimes don't know my left from my right. I sometimes just walk around like, what is happening? What's going on? And this was one of those moments for me. So I wanted to give you guys just a little tour of what the house is looking like at the moment. When we went to clean, this is what it's looking like. They are just putting in the staircase, and well, not the staircase, but the railings. And as you can see, all the little dirt and debris there, we're definitely cleaning that. So this is the upstairs, the second floor, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Super stunning. And this is my brother's master bathroom. Oh my gosh, beautiful. I love every single thing about it. And normally I'm not like a modern person. They still need to come and finish the trim. As we're speaking, the trim is up and everything is done, but it's just so beautiful, you guys. It's just so beautiful. So I kind of wanted to take you guys and end this video off with a little tour of some spaces in the house. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was a little bit motivational for you guys. I know that this is not like my typical cleaning video, and that is going to come, but as you know, we are in transition, moving and everything, so please bear with me. I'm trying to give you as much cleaning motivation as possible, but the transition right now is real and we are just in the process of moving and getting things set together. But I promise you, there will be so many cleaning videos coming your way very soon. All right, so thank you guys for being with me today. I hope you guys are inspired and motivated, and let me know if you guys like the house and what you guys think. I will see you guys very soon. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you went.